It's a sad day today because it's one of the last times I'm going to be driving the old UglyTruck with a 5.3 LS underneath the hood. Now, that's not a bad thing because it's going to be replaced with something, in my opinion, a whole lot better and definitely a whole lot cooler, something that you haven't seen before. If you don't know yet, check out my last video. We're going to be swapping in an 8.1 496 cubic inch V8 under the hood of this truck. Now, yeah, a lot of people will tell you, oh, the 8.1 is trash, it's garbage, there's no aftermarket support, it won't make any horsepower, and you're probably right, but there's a whole lot of cool points that come from having a big block under the hood of your truck. So that's what we're gonna do. Now, the purpose of today's trip is to find out, well, how much power is left in a stock 5.3 that's turned well over 320,000 miles. I think the current total is 327,500 or so. So I'm headed up to the local Cars and Coffee. It's Saturday morning, and I think they have a mobile dyno up there, so I'm gonna strap this thing onto the rollers, see how many ponies are left. Roll it a little.
Yep. Go ahead, work your way up to third. RPM, hold it steady.
All right, that's 2.
Okay, a little blip. That's good. Around 2200. Then when I give you the thumbs up, you know what to do. At the end of the run, let off the gas, let it slow down, and then bump it into neutral, no brakes.
Alrighty. Alright, I'm good here. Look, it went over 100.
233.
233 at the wheels. What was the torque? We did 233.
296.
233 horse and 296 pounds of torque. Not bad for a stock 5.3.
For a big old drivetrain.
Yeah, exactly. It's 4L80 too. Yeah, buddy. You want to buy a race car when you grow up? That's awesome. Okay.
$231, $296.
231, 296, pretty consistent. We should, huh? Anything fall out?
No, I mean it's got a little bit of burning oil, but that's probably a typical.
Yeah, it's got 327,000 miles on it.
Yeah. How many miles are on it?
327,000.
That's impressive numbers for that kind of mileage, really, when you think about it. All right, one more run.
Last one. All right.
296 torque.
232, 296, pretty much dead on consistent.
I've only raced the car one time.
All right, so let's digest these numbers real quick to kind of get an idea of what they mean. At the rear wheels, this 327,000 mile LM7 put down 230 horsepower and nearly 300 pounds of torque. From the factory, brand new, these are rated at, I believe, 290 horse at the crankshaft and 330 pounds of torque, or somewhere in that ballpark. So obviously you're going to have some losses through the drivetrain. This has a 4L80 automatic transmission, which is going to suck up a little more power than the 4L60. Of course, it's got some heavier tires. The truck is mostly stock, other than a tune that I put in the computer and the larger 4-inch exhaust, and it does have one of these sort of aftermarket generic cold air intake tubes on it. Basically, it's a filter on the end of a stick. But overall, the numbers are exactly what I expected, kind of low 200s, near 300 pounds of torque. So it's a great starting point, but it's a small displacement engine, and I just don't think it's right for me in the long run to make the amount of power that I want to make. Yes, I know the argument everyone's going to say, oh, you can make all kinds of power with an LS. Yeah, I know you can. I've done it before. They're fun, but like I said last time, guys, the LS is overblown, it's overdone, and for me, I just want to do something different, and that's where the 8.1 is coming in. Yeah, I know it might not make that much more power. Yeah, I know there's not a lot of aftermarket support, but let me tell you this, there's nothing cooler, or there will be nothing cooler, than a big block 8.1 with a turbo on the side. Guess I'm in a straight lane. Gotta say, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate each and every one of the subscribers, and if you haven't already, please do hit that subscribe button, because I've got some great content headed your way. I'm going to show you how to transform this truck, like get rid of that junky little LS and throw in a real motor, you know, something that has some real potential to make some extra horsepower and a tremendous amount of torque, because I don't care what you do to a 5.3, you're never going to make as much torque as you can with an 8.1 at a low RPM. But until then, I'm LT. Thanks for watching.